Hi YouTube. Today I am going to be playing Roblox A Pirate's Life, so let's get started. Uh-oh. Looks like we have someone firing. And it's not my team. We better get some gold quickly before he hits us.
Some treasure?
Yes. Treasure. Fish, something.
I'm playing.
Now I may go fire the port kit and hopefully damage him. If not damage, he hits this.
Fire.
No. It has to be a perfect fire. Oh man, I miss. Oh well. I keep getting treasure. And oh, there's a cannon thingy someone left in the water, but I can't reach it. Damn it!
Yeah, you die.
I know, right? Ooh, that's a rare squid.
I know. And I'm hoping to get some of this Zardines armor.
Now we're gonna
Yes, like,
we are going to go get a storage unit to store our treasure in for later. When we have
probably this guy's only level 3.
we'll go back out, get our rod.
Yes, I found.
Next, who did he? Oh man! Yes, he got a cannon dinghy. Now I can go fight them. But I can't. Not until I get a cannon dinghy or a large rod. I need a large rod first. Oh man, I thought that was a catch. Oh, wow, he's so
nice.
fast.
I got a mace, man. Awesome. What the heck? Oh my god, I got a freaking
Ian.
mace.
Really? Oh man, you almost made me lose my catch.
No,
Oh, frickin'!
yeah, I think you got shit.
That's frickin'. He's just coming for us. Don't worry, I'm prepared for him. Ouch! He was damaged. Get him. Oh man. He just taught a noob. He just taught not
A noob how to fish.
okay, he's dying. Yep, he died. Just as I predicted. Usually, if you're not around a port or any place safe like that, that's the only place where you can get up out of the water. If
You'll
you
probably die.
and
There's no safety. You must get up on port before you die
better
to be
prepare
safe.
myself. If this guy could fire at any second. Him.
Oh. Hey, you?
He's right there. Don't you see him? Do you not see him? Oh, he's making a bad move. What he doesn't know is is someone named Brooklyn already? I was gonna mean that.
You know what?
Man, the port kind on. I got one shot at this. And that should do it.
Oh, you missed.
I'll warn them that they better not shoot. But they'll probably shoot us again, but if they do, I'm prepared.
I can't believe he's got a morning star mace, and he's got an even bigger mace, man. Well, at least I do have a mace.
Yeah.
This strikes critical blows often, especially
Yeah.
on Zard.
Did you just fire at something?
Probably.
No, he didn't. Well, let's go ahead and end this episode of Roblox.
Dude, you barely even played that.
Are you kidding me? I played this for 4 minutes.